Did you understand in cause number 2020 CR 3942, you're charged with the offense of tampering with a government record? And in cause number 2020 CR 2515, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. The range of punishment in each of those cases is anywhere from 2 to 10 years and up to a $10,000 fine, and they're third-degree felonies. Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
With your attorney, did you understand that page? Where is that noise? It's coming from her end?
Yes.
You never, that's okay. Things happen at the jail. And each of the cause numbers, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. We're asking that you waive the PSI and sentence Ms. Magallanes today. Anything
you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. This is her first felony offenses, and she is, well, I would imagine she could have applied for deferred adjudication, but she's taken responsibility. So we're asking that you follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right, Ms. Magallanes, who is Jeffrey Cavazos?
He was one of the people that I was in the vehicle with, a friend of mine, their cousin. I don't know him personally.
All right, it appears that a lot of people get into vehicles with people they do not know.
My friend was supposed to, the one that was driving, was supposed to drop me off and take me home because I didn't have a vehicle at the time.
Oh. So here's my question. Do you have an open CPS case?
Yes, I do.
Why do you have a CPS case?
It was with my husband at the time in 2018.
No. People just don't get a CPS case because of their husband. So
it was with him, between both of us, for family violence.
There has to be more going on.
Sorry.
So is there drug use?
At the time, yes.
All right. So here's the thing, Ms. Magallanes. Let's not play word salad or word games. I need you to answer my questions because I have to set conditions so that you can be successful on this probation. So let's stop pretending that these problems don't exist. Everybody is on this journey called life, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're just hoping that at the end of your journey, or that you can see improvements in yourself throughout the journey.
That would be great. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So in order to improve throughout your journey, you have to acknowledge certain things. And just because you're a person at one point in your life doesn't mean that you can't change. So I need you to be honest with me. So what drugs were you all using?
I was on methamphetamine.
How long?
About a year.
Okay. How old are your children?
15, 14, and 10.
All right. And where are they now?
They're with foster care.
Okay. Who's your CPS attorney?
Stephanie Wilkins.
All right. So here's the thing. If you're going to try to successfully complete CPS, the conditions that they have, you should know your attorney's name. Your attorney should be on speed dial because you're trying to get your children back, and children are supposed to be the most important things in your life. You understand? Or I shouldn't say things, people. All right, so 2020 CR 3942, $1,500 fine, probated, 3 years in prison, suspended and probated for 3 years. All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Magallanes, your children didn't choose you as a parent, but you're their parent. So you need to make sure you do what's expected of you. I know Mr. Garcia has done plenty of CPS cases, and the worst thing is when children are expecting their parents to get custody of them back. They think their parents are doing what they're supposed to do, and then it turns out their parents are not doing what they're supposed to do. You understand?
I do understand, Your Honor.
All right, here's the thing. People always cry when they're at the jail. Save the tears. Do what you're supposed to do to be a good parent. Your children are depending on you. I'm going to send you to a breakout room number 3. And Rebecca, you can go to number 3. So we have a motion to revoke and a plea.
I think it's 2 motions for both cases.
All right, so we'll take up the plea first and then the motions to revoke. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment. 80 days, 2 years in the state jail facility, and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just ask the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This was same Kathy Ocampo Magallanes,
Yes,
who was
ma'am.
placed on community supervision for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams, on September 10th, 2021, for a term of 5 years. Is that you? And are you the same Kathy Ocampo Magallanes and the cause number ending in 3942, who was placed on community supervision for tampering with a government record on September 10th, 2021, for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and state for the record, you're proceeding on the same allegations in each motion to revoke?
Yes, Your Honor. It's an allegation.
All right, any objection to your client answering true or not true once?
No, Judge.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the first day of December 2022 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Kathy Ocampo Magallanes, committed the offense of possession of controlled substance, PT1, in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that in each motion, true or not true?
True.
Your Honor, state waives all the violations in each motion.
Any
No
objection?
objection.
Did you understand by pleading true and each cause number to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1 in each cause number? And each cause number, the court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's revocation and for a 3-year sentence. Yes.
Is that the agreement? Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes,
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
yes.
All right, I see in the case number ending in 3942. Probation, was there any restitution ever determined?
No, Judge.
All right. Then in cause number ending in 3942, the court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with cause number 2020 CR 2515. And in cause number ending in 2512, the court will grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 1348 and 2020 CR 3942. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing? And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand them and did you sign them?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. It appears that you have a drug or alcohol problem. That's why I had probation checking in on you. If you wish, I can ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. For example, you receive 3 years on this and you receive 1 year on your other case. That's what your sentence will be. But the therapeutic community is designed to help you address any drug issues that you may have. Would you like that? If the answer is no, that's
No.
fine. Some people are not ready.
Yeah.
All right. All right. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. Do you have family that love you and care about you?
Yes, I do.
Who is that?
My children, with my kids.
All right. So if you don't want to be clean and sober for yourself, then you need to be clean and sober for your children. The last time you use may be the last time you use. And I don't think you want somebody having to go out, identify your body. There are plenty of times in Bear County where there's a body, in a field or somewhere. Maybe they have an overdose or there's a body in a house. I don't think you want your family members to come and identify you. And I don't think you
you want your children having to have that as part of their history. You understand?
I understand.
When you're released from custody, there are plenty of places you can go to get drug treatment. If you feel like they're not addressing those issues or you can't find anybody, as I always tell people, God willing and the creek don't rise. If I'm still here, you can come here and I will find a place for you.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you.
You too, Miss. Have a nice day.
All right. You two have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse me.
Yes.
I am